know what I love is the queso Oaxaca, the pulley stringy cheese. Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott and welcome to Sur La Table. Today I am making Mexican street corn, the perfect summertime dish. For this recipe, you need corn, Mexican crema, salt, mayonnaise, cotija cheese, limes, ancho chili powder, garlic, black pepper, and cilantro. I am going to show you my favorite tip for when you're grilling corn on an outside grill. Charcoal or gas, doesn't matter. You can turn the husk into a handle by braiding it, and I'll show you how. If you remember how to braid hair, if you've ever had to do that in your life, you take 3 pieces and kind of crisscross them down like so. This way you have your own handle. Take a piece of husk and that can be your twine to secure it. Sometimes you break it in the process and that's okay. Now, before you grill this, you're gonna wanna soak your husks in water for about 30 minutes before it goes on the grill. So there's my fun corn trick for when you grill corn outside. I'm grilling inside, so I'm gonna take my husk completely off. Comes off rather easy. All right, I'm cooking my corn inside today in this wonderful cast iron grill pan, and I've had it preheating for about 5 minutes with medium-high heat underneath it. I can tell that it's nice and warm. So I'm gonna lay my corn cobs in each one of these divots. While these start to char and blister, I'm going to mince a garlic clove, chop some cilantro, and mix the sauce and the topping that goes on the corn. While I have my knife out, I'm going to cut these 2 limes into wedges for serving. Put those in a dish for later. And now I'm going to mix my sauce. Mayonnaise. Mexican crema, which is similar to sour cream. A pinch of salt. Ancho chili powder. Black pepper, I'm gonna use all of this. And cotija cheese. It comes in a nice big kind of round block. Just use your fingertips to crumble it. I'm going to use almost all of this and save a little bit for garnish at the end. Now I'm just going to mix this all together. You could use a whisk, a spatula works just fine. Break up any of those large pieces of the cheese that I missed. Once the corn is cooked, this will be slathered on before you serve it. There we go. Sauce is ready. I'm gonna set it off to the side while I check the corn. Getting some nice blistering on here. If you need to rotate the corn through different slots, you can to let it cook a little bit more evenly. So the corn's gonna take between 5 and 8 minutes as you rotate through. Be patient with it. You want that charring to really develop a lot of flavor. This will go faster if you're over a charcoal grill or a gas grill outdoors, but indoors it's gonna take a little bit longer. My corn is nice and charred and cooked through. Now it's time to top it. I'm gonna use corn picks to make this easier for my guests to eat. So just insert through the end, like so. I'm gonna get 2 of them ready, so you don't have to hold a hot piece of corn. I'm gonna take a spoon and a nice big spoon of the mixture and slather it all around. Some of it will drop off. This is a little messy. That's why it's great for an outdoor barbecue. I'm gonna do this next one over the bowl so it's a little less messy, and I can reuse whatever falls off. Get it in all those nooks and crannies. To finish these off, take one of your lime wedges, squeeze over top, I always like to serve 1 or 2 more for people to squeeze more. The cotija cheese that was left over that didn't get crumbled into the sauce gets crumbled over top. And these are now ready to eat. For recipe videos, cooking classes, and more, visit surlatab.com. Enjoy!